You know that moment when you hesitate at the bottom of the stairs, wondering if climbing them will feel harder than it used to? Or when picking up something from the floor takes more effort than you'd like? That slow loss of strength often creeps in after 60, and it's easy to accept it as just part of aging. But what if you could fight back with something as simple as fruit? Yes, the right fruits can help protect your muscles, boost your energy, and keep you active and independent without pills or complicated routines. In this guide, I'll share 5 powerful fruits, backed by science, that fight age-related muscle loss. They're easy to find, safe for most people, even if you're managing diabetes or heart issues, and delicious. The top fruit might already be in your kitchen, waiting to surprise you with its muscle-saving power. Stick with me to discover these fruits, hear real stories, and learn how to make small changes that keep you strong and vibrant for years to come. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken, a condition called sarcopenia that can make daily tasks like carrying groceries or getting up from a chair harder. It often starts in your 40s, but becomes more noticeable after 60. You might feel stiffer in the morning or tire out faster, but you don't have to just accept it. Certain fruits are packed with nutrients that reduce inflammation, support muscle repair, and boost energy. These fruits are affordable, available at any grocery store, and safe for most, even those watching blood sugar or heart health. Let's explore 5 fruits that can help you stay strong and active, one tasty bite at a time. First, let's talk about avocados, a creamy, delicious fruit that's more than just a topping for toast. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that fight inflammation, a silent culprit that damages muscles over time and makes sarcopenia worse. By calming this inflammation, avocados help your muscles repair and stay strong. They're also rich in potassium, more than bananas, which helps muscles contract smoothly, reducing weakness or wobbliness. Potassium works with magnesium, another avocado nutrient, to prevent cramps, support muscle function, and keep your heartbeat steady, making you less likely to stumble. Avocados also have vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects muscle cells from wear and tear, and about 10 grams of fiber per fruit, which keeps digestion smooth and blood sugar stable, key for avoiding energy crashes, especially if you're managing diabetes. Studies back this up. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults eating more monounsaturated fats, like those in avocados, had better mobility and less frailty. Another study linked lutein, a nutrient in avocados, to stronger muscles and better physical function in older adults. Clara, a 72-year-old with a contagious laugh, used to suffer from nightly leg cramps that made her morning walks tough. Her daughter suggested half an avocado daily. After a few weeks, Clara's cramps stopped, and her walks felt easier. Now she enjoys avocado on toast with sesame seeds and lemon. You can mash avocados into guacamole, slice them onto eggs, blend them into smoothies, or even make healthy chocolate pudding. They're low in sugar, have no cholesterol, and keep you full without the crash of processed snacks. Perfect for staying active. Next up is Tart cherry, a bold, sour fruit often found as juice, dried, or in capsules. Tart cherries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce inflammation, easing muscle pain and stiffness. This inflammation is what makes you feel achy after a walk or stiff in the morning, and it contributes to long-term muscle loss. Tart cherries help calm it down, helping muscles recover faster. Studies show athletes who drink tart cherry juice before and after tough workouts have less soreness and quicker recovery. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found runners who drank tart cherry juice for 7 days before a race had less pain and felt stronger sooner. Another study from Oregon Health and Science University showed it reduced muscle damage and inflammation in older adults, with no side effects. Tart cherries also contain melatonin, which improves sleep, a big deal since many over 60 struggle with sleep, and poor sleep slows muscle repair. A small glass of tart cherry juice in the evening can help you sleep longer and better, giving your muscles time to heal. My neighbor Paul, 68, felt like his legs were heavy every morning. After drinking tart cherry juice after dinner for 2 weeks, he woke up with less stiffness and more energy. "It's like my body heals at night," he said. Pure, unsweetened tart cherry juice is safe for most, even those with diabetes, in small amounts. You can also try dried tart cherries on oatmeal or yogurt, or capsules if you prefer. Check with your doctor if you're on medications, but tart cherries are a gentle way to support your muscles. Now, let's explore pomegranates, those ruby red seeds bursting with power. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, which tires muscles and slows recovery. By protecting muscle fibers, pomegranates keep them strong. They also boost nitric oxide, improving blood flow to deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. This helps them work better during activities like walking and heal faster afterward, especially important as circulation weakens with age. A Journal of Nutrition study found older adults taking pomegranate extract before exercise had better endurance and less fatigue. Another study showed it reduced soreness and sped recovery, even for those who don't exercise heavily. Pomegranates also ease stiffness with their anti-inflammatory powers and support mitochondria, the cell powerhouses that give you energy. My friend George, 74, drinks pomegranate juice before gardening and feels more energized and less sore. Sprinkle the seeds on yogurt, toss them in salads, or blend them into smoothies. Stick to 4 to 6 ounces of pure, unsweetened juice daily to avoid excess sugar, or eat the seeds for added fiber. Pomegranates are a tasty way to keep your muscles happy and your energy high. Next, don't overlook prunes, dried plums that do more than help digestion. Prunes are packed with antioxidants like chlorogenic acid, which protect muscles from inflammation and oxidative stress, helping them recover faster. Their polyphenols may boost IGF-1, a hormone that supports muscle growth. A lab study showed prune extracts increased muscle cell size and protein synthesis, key for muscle repair and strength. This means prunes might help you build strength, even after 60. They're also rich in boron, a mineral that helps your body use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D, supporting muscles and bones to prevent sarcopenia and osteoporosis. Their fiber steadies blood sugar and cholesterol, giving you consistent energy. My Aunt Helen, 76, doubted prunes until she ate 5 daily with breakfast. After a month, her morning walks felt less achy. "It's like I oiled my hinges," she said. Snack on prunes, chop them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or mix with nuts for a sweet treat. They're low on the glycemic index and safe for most with diabetes in moderation. Finally, the top fruit is the apple, a familiar favorite with hidden muscle-saving power. Its peel contains ursolic acid, which studies show boosts muscle growth and reduces breakdown. A cell metabolism study found mice given ursolic acid built more muscle and lost less. Early human studies suggest it increases IGF-1 and lowers myostatin, a protein that stops muscle growth. Apples also have quercetin, an antioxidant that supports mitochondria for better energy and less fatigue. Their pectin fiber steadies blood sugar, supports gut health, and reduces inflammation, helping muscles get nutrients. Mr. David, 79, eats a daily apple with the peel and still does yard work. "Keeps me moving, keeps me young," he says. A University of Iowa study found ursolic acid improved muscle growth, reduced fat, and helped blood sugar control. Eat the peel for ursolic acid. Go organic, wash well, and enjoy apples whole, in oatmeal, or with almond butter. They're low-calorie, hydrating, and won't spike blood sugar when paired with fiber or protein.
These 5 fruits, avocado, tart cherry, pomegranate, prune, and apple, are simple, delicious way to fight muscle loss and stay vibrant. They reduce inflammation, boost blood flow, and support muscle repair. You don't need a gym or complex plan, just add them to your meals. Try Clara's avocado toast, Paul's tart cherry juice, George's pomegranate seeds, Helen's prunes, or David's apple. Each bite says, I am still strong. Start with 1 or 2 this week. Share your favorite fruits and how they make you feel in the comments. Let's inspire each other to age with strength and joy.